Good night. My name is Camila Vergara. Welcome to Activity 2. Theory is a meeting today for the planning of the inventory. The head of logistics goes to the warehouse for counting of the merchandise. She is going to have to define the person that the inventory then serves. Tiri air inventory management T Tuesday. In the same way, the accounting area based on the planning carried out on the inventory will have some tasks they are going to have to appoint 10 leaders per warehouse. There is the honestly tight arrives at the warehouse. There are the storage of all products. There is the product located in the warehouse. Juan is going to have to count the goods stored in the location reference register, the quantity in the blind leaks and deliver the data to the operative inventory assistant. They are going to have to hand in the instruction chief for the inventory. The possibility of suspending operation on the designated day for taking the player's inventory should be studied. This achieved by dedication. More staff to comes facilitate and expediting the work and avoiding problems caused by the movements of goods during the count. And